At Good Works Auto Repair, we've always been big proponents of maintaining your car. After all, when you properly take care of your vehicle, it often lasts longer and you have the potential to get more miles and time out of your investment. Routine preventative maintenance can also help you avoid some major repairs, saving you time, money, and hassle down the road. Potential savings on auto repairs, plus a vehicle that lasts longer, might be incentive enough for you to schedule regular maintenance appointments at your local auto repair shop. But is there any other reason why maintaining your car is so vital at this specific point in time? Yes. Throughout the pandemic, perhaps you noticed that new car lots looked a little emptier than normal. Thanks to a variety of factors, including manufacturer shutdowns and chip shortages, fewer cars were actually produced. What did people do if they needed a different vehicle but a new one wasn't available? They turned to buying used cars, leading to both high prices and shortages in the used car market. As our society returns to a new normal after the pandemic, new car production is still catching up and prices remain high. Used cars also continue to fetch record high prices. In fact, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, used vehicles currently cost 53% more than they did at the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic. That means you may still pay less than the price tag for a new car, but you'll likely pay more and get less compared to pre-pandemic days. When looking at the car market today, the reality is this: whether you buy a new or used vehicle, it's going to cost you significantly more money than it did just a few years ago. That's why we recommend maintaining your car now instead of purchasing a different one. Even if your current vehicle is in need of repairs or maintenance, having these items completed could still be much cheaper than buying a new car or a new-to-you used vehicle. At Good Works Auto Repair, we make getting the best auto repair and maintenance services in Tempe easy. Our ACE-certified automotive technicians know exactly what your car needs and when. In fact, we even provide you with a digital inspection report that shows what's right with your vehicle, what's in urgent need of repair, and what needs attention soon but can wait until a later date. Armed with this valuable information, you can then make important decisions about your vehicle's care in a way that fits your budget and your schedule. Are you ready to make maintaining your car easy and convenient? Simply contact us to schedule an appointment today.